Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the workspace and tools so you don't fumble mid-change. Lay a soft cloth on a flat table, remove straps, and power off the goggles. Next, use a plastic pry tool to locate the retention clips along the lens edge. Gently lift at one clip to release tension. Once one side pops free, move methodically around the frame. Keep every small part in a tray so nothing rolls away and you maintain orientation for reassembly. You now remove the old lens completely and inspect the frame for debris or damaged clips. Handle the new lens only by the edges to avoid fingerprints. Align its tabs with the frame slots and lower it gently into place. Start by seating one side, then incrementally press the opposite edge until the retention clips engage. Once the lens is seated, run your finger gently along the perimeter to confirm uniform contact, and check that you finish by reattaching straps and testing fit. Put the goggles on to confirm the lens seal and optical alignment. Clean both sides with a microfiber cloth and inspect through the goggles for any distortion or misalignment. If you notice fogging, light gaps, or a lens that rattles, remove it and reseat, checking clip engagement and frame integrity. One key troubleshooting tip: if a clip is cracked, replace it before continued use. Improvising with glue often causes misalignment and optical issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.